So, zoom in here. Okay, so they decided to prank us, Harrison and Pat. So we came in Harrison's room, and we did the same thing. So let me give you a little tour of what we did. Okay, so first of all, these are in condoms. All these Xbox controllers, remote control. You guys hear the condoms. What else did we do? Oh, his cigarette case. You know, don't mess with a man's cigarettes. So what we did. Oh, he used to have a Papa sign, and I don't know if you guys know what that is. It's like a big chair. Let me show you where I put it. It's in the closet. I'm gonna lock the door. But it's that thing right there. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. Yeah, kind of just sits on that little base there. Hid that from him. But it's flipped over his chair. Not a big deal. He actually, my roommate just pissed in what is it? I don't know. He has some Old Spice shampoo, and he pissed in it. So yeah. His bed no longer here. What else? No, he's done. He pissed in. Did you? Yeah, I really did. Alright, that's great. We took all his power supplies, so for his laptop. Not his Xbox yet. We'll do that right now. Oh, did you show him? I put shampoo in the freezer here. Did you get that? You got that? Oh, got his can opener in his nasty ass fucking microwave. Excuse my language. There's also this. Wait, oh, he loves his guitars. This is messed up. I didn't do this. Oh, shit. Get that. Okay. What is that? There's lighters and guitar picks and all in condom. Okay, that's good. Thanks. Alright, and I think that's really about it, right? Yeah, I think so. Did you show him the clothes that are in the bathroom? Oh, yeah. See, all his clothes are going here. We put them all in the bathroom. You know, a little touch, a little effect going on for the bathroom here. Oh, and we also, I don't know if you saw in the other video, we superglued everything of his when it comes to this shower stuff, so you can't open the tops or even twist them off over here. Open, same thing. And his toothbrush is completely superglued. What? You call it? Yeah. You shouldn't, like... But no. And same thing with his toothpaste, so when he wakes up tomorrow or he goes to sleep tonight, he's not going to be able to brush his teeth. He's going to have a hard time. That's really about it. Oh, and I don't know if you saw in his video, he pissed in this little bottle here of the Dawn soap, what the hell. And so we just put it all over his rug, so hopefully when he walks on it and stuff, it'll get a little messy and wow, on the bottom it really smells like piss. Oh god, yeah. Oh, it does. That's gross. Alright, that really concludes what we've done to his room. I mean, we could TP it. That would I have fucking toilet paper under my bed. No, we have right there, the big ass little toilet paper that we found. So, as soon as we're done TPing it, I'll give you a little video, show you what we did. Right, shit. Bye. Okay, so we just finished TPing his room. You know, he's already documenting Facebook already, you know. So we just TP'd it a little, kind of put a whole bunch of toilet paper everywhere. We saw the soap in the rug. Yeah, so, I mean, he doesn't come back till like 2, 3 in the morning, so as soon as he comes in, it's gonna be late, he's gonna be tired, and he's gonna find all his shit messed up. So, that concludes our prank. Thank you. Good night.